On the morning of November 21st in Mahabalipuram, a crowd gathered to watch a moment that looked almost mythical. A 33-foot granite shivling weighing 210 metric tons prepared to leave home. It's headed to a place that hopes to redefine Bihar's cultural identity and build one of the world's largest Hindu temple complexes. This isn't just any sacred icon. Multiple reports and the team behind it describe it as the world's largest single stone shivling ever meant to be installed inside a temple.
You have Shivlingas, which are made up of concrete, but in terms of stone monolith, this is undoubtedly the largest one as per best of our knowledge.
Carved from a single block of diamond granite, the shivling originally weighed nearly 300 tons when it was quarried. It took 3 years of sculpting in a village, led by 73-year-old mentor Hemlata, 70-year-old senior sculptor Loknath, and a 24-member team combining traditional chisels with high-precision machinery. This is a Sahasra Shivling, a shivling whose base holds 1,008 miniature lingams, 72 per row, 14 rows in all. It has the classic three-tiered form, Brahmapeeth, Vishnupeeth and Shivpeeth, where the rituals will take place. And the cost of the monolith? Around 3 crore rupees.
It's a one-of-a-kind piece, and it is a sight for sore eyes. I mean, you really have to be there to understand that.
The shivling, as heavy as a fully loaded Boeing 767, is currently on a 2,100-kilometer journey on a 96-wheel hydraulic trailer, the kind used for turbines and reactor components. Every halt, every bridge crossing, every narrow turn has been planned for months. Some stretches, especially near Chakia, its final destination, have been reinforced just for this convoy. By early 2026, this monolith is expected to arrive in East Champaran, Bihar, and that's where its true significance unfolds.
We have incident where people have stopped the driver saying, "Please, hame ek bari puja karne dijiye. Let us just pray once." And so there are people who follow the trucks just to see where it is going and all.
The shivling is headed to one of the most ambitious temple projects in modern India, the under-construction Virat Ramayan Temple. A project so vast that the Mahavir Temple Trust says it will outscale Cambodia's Angkor Wat. Spread across 100-plus acres on the historic Ram Janki Path, linking Ayodhya to the Nepal border, the site anchors itself in the lore of Mithila, Sita's birthplace. Local belief also holds that Ram's wedding procession halted here while returning from Janakpur. The complex will include multiple shrines, pilgrim facilities, a massive Nandi, a Ganesh temple, a grand Singhdwar, and a sanctum foundation already complete. And at its heart, the Sahasra Shivling from Mahabalipuram, the first major monolith to be installed here.
There would be around 18 shikhars in the temple, and 18 different gods and goddesses would be situated on those 18 places.
The arrival of the shivling is more than a religious or architectural moment. It signals a shift in how Bihar is imagining its cultural future. Much like Bodh Gaya reshaped the Gaya district decades ago, the Virat Ramayan temple aims to give East Champaran its own gravitational pull for pilgrims, tourists, and scholars.
There is a lot of positive vibration in that stone. Our artisans clearly say that, there is God already present there.
From Mahabalipuram's ancient sculpting legacy to Bihar's push to build one of the world's largest temple complexes, this 210-ton shivling's journey is both a spiritual pilgrimage and a logistical epic. A rare moment where devotion, engineering, and cultural reinvention travel the same road.
Har Har Mahadev!